Alright, DIY enthusiasts, today I'm diving into the ultimate showdown: Milwaukee versus DeWalt impact drivers. Which one reigns supreme? Let's find out. First up, Milwaukee. This brand is synonymous with durability and power. Their impact driver is a beast, boasting a brushless motor delivering 2,000 nlbs of torque. That's right, 2,000. It's compact, lightweight, and the battery life? Outstanding. You can work all day without constantly recharging. Now let's talk about DeWalt. Known for their reliability, DeWalt's impact driver also features a brushless motor, but comes in at 1,825 nlbs of torque. Slightly less than Milwaukee, but still packs a punch. It's ergonomically designed, making it super comfortable to handle during those long projects. Plus, DeWalt's battery technology is impressive, offering quick charge times and long-lasting power. But numbers aside, let's talk performance. Milwaukee's driver has a faster driving speed, which is perfect for heavy-duty tasks like driving large screws or bolts. It's an absolute workhorse. On the other hand, DeWalt excels in precision. Its 3-speed settings give you more control, making it ideal for detailed work where finesse is key. Plus, the LED light on the DeWalt is brighter and better positioned, illuminating your workspace perfectly. Price-wise, Milwaukee is generally a bit more expensive, but if you want sheer power and longevity, it might be worth the extra bucks. DeWalt, while slightly more affordable, offers a balanced mix of power and precision, making it a fantastic all-rounder. So, which one should you choose? If you're tackling heavy-duty projects and need raw power, Milwaukee's your go-to. But if you want versatility and control, DeWalt is the way to go. There you have it, folks, the ultimate impact driver battle. Let me know in the comments which one you prefer. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY tips and tool battles.